Welcome to our kitchen spotlight featuring the FNT 8-quart orange stock pot with a see-through lid and twist and lock handles. This pot uses a unique micro-pressure design that locks in steam below 302 degrees Fahrenheit to cook food faster and release it safely above that temperature. Made with thickened 4-layer die casting technology and stone coating, it heats evenly, resists sticking, and is durable for everyday use. The stand-up lid cleverly saves counter space while keeping your kitchen organized and clean. Its twist and lock handles secure the lid tightly to prevent spills and preserve flavors during cooking. With a large 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for families of 2 to 8, suitable for boiling, steaming, and simmering. Plus, its bright orange color adds a cheerful pop to any stove, compatible with gas, electric, and induction cooktops. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.